Saturday, February 28th. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. The Bauchi State Governor, Mr. Bala Mohammed, was in a close meeting with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. That was yesterday. Yeah. And he went there to tell Tinubu, listen, Mr. President, we have over 10,000 terrorists that just arrived in Bauchi State. We have over 10,000 terrorists. We don't know whether they are bandits or Boko Haram, but they are in Bauchi State, and over 6 communities have been evacuated, and these people are occupying these cities. When I heard him saying that after the meeting with Tinubu, I said, is this not the man who was so bold coming to Channels Television to tell the whole world that, listen, I am going to bring the whole Fulanese from around the world and arrest their culture of violence. They are going to come into Nigeria. This is what Bala Mohammed said, and he was so proud, and he said he's going to do it. But listen to me. This same man is now crying that over 10,000 terrorists has enveloped Bauchi State. Now, let me shock you. Bauchi State is a landlocked state. A landlocked state is a state that doesn't share border with other international communities, neither Niger Republic, nor Benin, nor Chad, nor Cameroon, but just in a circle. So that means that these people that came into Bauchi State, they are roaming around like they are everywhere in Nigeria. But you know what? Don't cry for northern Nigeria, cry for the people in the southern Nigeria. Because in Edo State, an ISWAP commander, until DSS came from Abuja to pick that ISWAP commander, he was a phone repairer. He was repairing phone. He was lawyer. In the afternoon, in the night, he will switch on SIM card. For him to carry out attacks, send message, give commands. In the morning, he's repairing your phone, getting your sensitive informations. See, these people have enveloped the whole nation. Like, I was waiting for people to continue or to start to talk about the over 10,000 terrorists in Bauchi State, according to Bala Mohammed. Sometimes, if we share intelligence, for example, that, oh, listen, 1,000 terrorists just enter here, like people think that these people are exaggerating, these people are just saying for saying sake. Is there anybody that will wake up in his normal sense and just come out to say 10,000 terrorists are here, over 1,000 terrorists are here? No, no, and no. What are you going to gain from it? So Bala Mohammed, who promised to bring these terrorists to Nigeria, are now telling you that over 10,000 are just in Bauchi alone. Not the people in Bauchi before. They just came into Bauchi and they started pushing people down south. People entering Plateau. What are they doing? Stay with me to the end of this video. Let us discuss their sole mission, their agenda. I want you to really understand the word agenda. You have been hearing about it. Agenda, agenda. What is agenda? What is the purpose of these people? Anyway, listen to this analysis from Arise News. I'll be right back.
Let's turn to security and the Bauchi alarm, because that's essentially what it is. Governor Bala Mohammed saying over 10,000 bandits have entered Bauchi State, and he held an emergency meeting with President Tinubu today on that, presumably to brief him. I mean, it's a scary movie, except that it's not a movie. At what point does such a thing become a national emergency? I mean,
assuming the figures are correct.
Yeah, I think Ini Ememebong was saying, well, who counted?
Exactly, because
who
you see,
the
even
bandits?
at the peak of the Boko Haram problem, I don't think there ever was a time when 10,000 Boko Haram people, probably 700, maybe 1,000, moved in Borno State.
But it's still alarming, whatever the figure.
Yeah, of course, it's alarming, especially Bauchi is not a border state. So for such an army to be able to arrive in Bauchi, they must have crossed several other states. So definitely, I mean, even an attack by a dozen bandits is a cause for national worry. And since the Americans are here, and it is said that they help with intelligence and surveillance, they should be able, I think, to confirm the figures and show exactly where these bandits are and assist the Air Force to carry out bombing raids. That's the way I see. We are just hearing about the Bauchi episode. The facts have to be confirmed. But if it is true we have international help, it should be possible to immediately locate where they are and also arrange for instant annihilation.
Indeed. And Donu, I mean, obviously, it also depends on whatever agreements Nigeria has with the United States. But I mean, how on earth could, assuming that figure that's being bandied around is actually correct, and it came directly from Bala Mohammed because he said it. I mean, everybody saw him say it. How on earth could 10,000 bandits have been allowed to enter and settle in Bauchi State? Is this an intelligence failure, political exaggeration, or evidence of a system under massive strain?
Well, Nigerians are fond of wild approximations. I mean, it's like whenever they say there's going to be a 1,000,000-man march, you can be sure there'll be about 300 people. so, so I'm sorry, I don't want to trivialize such a serious problem, but I would question how anyone would know 10,000. 10,000 is such a neat figure. It's like you have to walk 10,000 steps a day. It's too pat. But I'm sure that Bala Mohammed is under terrible pressure from a bunch of hoodlums. And, I mean, it's everything. It's a political failure. It's a military failure. It's a disgrace to the nation. And I've said this before, as much as President Trump gets on my nerves on so many other levels, I wish he would just come and help the Nigerian government sort out this mess, because they are clearly unable or unwilling to sort it out themselves.
And I mean, when you think about things like Bala Mohammed and so, I mean, you wonder what on earth they're actually doing there. I mean, not him specifically, but the people who are, fight to be governors, and they give us all these promises. Well, I'm going to do this, insecurity, blah, blah, blah. And then when they get in there, they just throw their hands up. I mean, you could make the argument that, security is still pretty much a federal thing. But what's the point of having, this lot there?
Well, Bala Mohammed, like all governors, is the chief security officer of his state. But that's a very nominal thing. It doesn't mean anything. The police commissioner reports to somebody else, really, at the end of the day. The whole thing is it's a title without meaning. So I don't blame them. I blame the core law enforcement personnel.
Right.
The people who control the deployment of troops. And I just don't know, I am just absolutely devastated.
And I mean, Babu Jega, that strengthens the call for state police, does it?
Yeah, if it is handled very well, there is almost a national consensus now to have state police, although, of course, there are all kinds of misgivings. But you know what I wanted to say about the figures? People in traumatic situations always tend to exaggerate numbers of attackers. We had many cases. Just one. When Sheikh Albani was assassinated in Zaria, the man who was with him in the car when they opened fire, when he came out, he said that 20 attackers were firing from all directions at the vehicle.
But they would have killed themselves.
The police later confirmed that there are only two attackers. So you see, if you are lying in a vehicle and they are firing, you could get the impression there are 100.
Indeed. It's a bit like the 12 men of Hindustan, isn't it? Touching the elephant and trying to figure out. But let me ask you this, and I'll come to you in a minute, Donu. Let's turn to another.
Now, the alarm that Bala Mohammed is raising, and anybody raising who are similar to these politicians, I want you to get something in your head. These people knows these terrorists. They know where they are. They know where they came from. In fact, some of them who are Nigerians, they know their parents. The people they imported into Nigeria, they knows where they imported them from, and so on and so forth. So I don't want people to say Nigeria is not supposed to be a place where people who don't think will live. Because a lot of things are going on, and it needs logic to actually understand what is going on in Nigeria. You just need logic. The purpose why these people are doing this thing is because of Sharia. It's a global war. It's a global war. It just, as far as we are fighting for Sharia, we have global backup from this, most extreme Islamic countries. Not all the whole Islamic countries that are sponsoring these people. So do your fact checkings. Well, not just only listening to videos. Sometimes after listening to video, you go and do your own findings. That people are not just making all these things up. If I come if I come here and I tell you that, listen, this is all about a plan to Islamize Nigeria, don't take it for granted. I know what I'm talking about. So be very careful, because the alarm that they sound is the one you know. You don't actually know the alarm that they did not sound. You don't know the secret plans, their movement. In fact, where you are standing right now, you don't know who is there with you. You are seeing human beings. You don't actually know if this person is a terrorist, if this person is a Boko Haram, is SWAP, or who the person. You don't just know. Be careful right there. Nigeria is already on red alert. But you know what? After Iran, next move. They did not say anything.
Nigerians, I want to tell you something that some of you know and some of you don't know. You don't understand? Some of you know this thing, some of you don't know this thing, but anyway, make I just tell you now. You see this government, the Nigerian government, they are the ISWAP, they are the ISIS, they are the Boko Haram, they are the Lakurawa, they are the JNIM fighters. They are the bandits. Take it or leave it. Look, the DSS can come for me. I have evidence to back this thing up. I have evidence to back this my claim. They are the one unaliving our soldiers. The Nigerian government are the one killing our soldiers. They are the one killing our police. They are the one forcefully entering our women. They are the one kidnapping us. They are the one unaliving us. Let them come. I know some of you will come to the comment section and start crying for me. Don't cry for me. See, cry for yourself. Don't come here under this comment and start feeling messy. Oh, they will catch you. Don't type that rubbish here. All of us are not. See, I'm not your regular content creator. I know be this thing. I'm not scared of their arrest, and neither am I scared of them buying me. You feel me? So I'm not scared of them a bit. Banaji Soronsu like this I'm not scared of them. I'm here to tell you guys the truth. They are the one kidnapping us, buying us, forcefully entering our women. The Nigerian government are the ISIS. Now them be the Boko Haram. Now them be the bandits. Now them be this ISWAP way. Now the Nigerian government. I have evidence to back it up. Let them come. You see all these things that when they come to kidnap schools, and they kidnap our school children and this thing, Nigerian government pay these people to release. They don't engage them in a physical combat. No! The government never. They have never engaged them. When these guys come to kidnap our school girls, kidnap our students, like all these multiple kidnaps, like all these, what do you call it? These massive kidnap, like 300, 200, 150. The Nigerian government, they go and pay these guys to release those kids, to release those people that they kidnap. And these people that they pay, they use that money that the Nigerian government pay them to buy more ammunition. You see how the Nigerian government is sponsoring them, empowering them, and indirectly, you see, say they don't become the ISIS. They are now the problem that we are facing in this country. They are indirectly or directly becoming our problem because you pay them. You pay them 60 million, 100 million, 150 million, 300 million to release our school children and our mummies and daddies. Instead of to go after them, eliminate them, burn these guys, behead them, set these guys on fire. No, the government will not do so. The government will go and pay these guys, and these guys will use that money that they pay them to go and buy more ammunition, and tomorrow they will come, engage, they will unalive our soldiers, unalive our policemen, unalive our CJTF, vigilante, our fathers, our mothers, and our children. They kidnap, they forcefully enter our women. This is the government that a lot of you out there will be supporting. This is the government that many Nigerians, how can you, like, it breaks my heart. It really, it makes me, I cry when I see a Nigerian, a full-grown human being that has blood running through his system, supporting a government that kidnap you, kidnap your family, unalive you, unalive your family members, forcefully enter your wife, your mother, your loved ones. You see a full-grown man, a full-grown woman supporting that same people. It breaks my heart. Let them come. I'm saying this thing. See, Banaji Soronsu, let me repeat it again. Banaji Soronsu, I'm not scared of them. I'm not scared of arrest. Never was there a time I'm scared. Never. All of us must not keep quiet. Bro, Kana jini ko wallahi talai bana jin soronsu. Na rese de Allah. If I go, many alhajis like will arise. Enough is enough. Let us spit the fact out so that the world will know what is going on. Nigerian government are the one sponsoring banditry, kidnapping and everything that is going on in this country. They are the ISIS, ISWAP and every other. In fact, they are the one that invited them. Because how can you pay? When you pay this group that kidnap your people, you pay a group that kidnap your people. Instead of going after them to eliminate them, burn them, behead them, you pay that group. You are indirectly inviting others to come. That is just the simple truth. When you come, when you kidnap, when you go to our schools and kidnap, we will not burn you. We will pay you. They are the one that invited these guys. Yes, now. Where on earth does this happen? You kidnap school children, you kidnap a community, you kidnap a full village, and you are being paid for it. You are indirectly telling other people to start. Come, you are welcome to Nigeria. Come and kidnap and get paid. 60 million, 300 million, 400 million. And Nigerians will still be here supporting these same people. It breaks my heart. It breaks my heart that many of you out there don't get balls. Some of you don't even get the balls to call out your leaders. You guys are scared. We are not scared here. I am English Alhaji. I am not scared. You don't understand? I know they drag anybody. Now me and these people, if you know me from time till now. It is me. I know they scared. Evidence is full hand. Let the DSS come. It is here. I go blow and act like the whole world will see. It is here. Let them come. I have the record here of how much they have paid so far. How much they have paid these people. How much they have paid these bandits and kidnappers. How much they have paid Boko Haram. How much I have all the record here till they come. I'm waiting for them. You know the story.